Hey guys, so in this video, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-activate or mag-register ng account sa Gain Protocol. So, kailangan meron kang referral ID and of course, balance sa iyong MetaMask wallet. Okay, in my case, I'm using MetaMask, pero you can use Trust Wallet. So, any Web3 wallet pwede mong gamitin. I prefer MetaMask kasi medyo mas maliit lang yung gas fees. Okay, so open natin yung MetaMask and make sure na meron ka ng balance na BUSD or USDT. So in my case, I have BUSD. Okay, so kunin natin ngayon yung referral link. So ikakopy mo lang yan. Okay, mas madali kung dun ka na mag-register sa browser mismo ni MetaMask. So once na nandun ka na kay MetaMask, click mo lang itong browser sa gilid. And then, click mo lang yung plus sign. Okay? So, makikita mo na itong search or type URL. So, paste mo dito yung kinapi natin na referral link. And then, click mo na yung go. So, madidirect ka na dito sa registration process. Now, you will select the country. There you go. And first name. And then, make sure your email na active. Kasi dyan isa-send yung username and password nyo. Okay? So, click mo lang yung Connect Wallet. Make sure tama yung email address. Connect Wallet. Ayan. So, may lalabas na ganito. And then, click mo lang yung Connect. Then, after that, accept mo lang yung terms and condition. Click mo lang yan. And then, click mo na yung sign up. And then, may magsasend na OTP. Click mo lang yung send. So, nasend na daw siya sa email. Open your Gmail or kung ano email na niregister mo. Kaya sabi ko dapat active na email. So, you will see your OTP. Copy mo lang. 201766. Okay. Alright. Click confirm. There you go, and you have registered your account. So, next is, click mo yung, ayan, so yung email na yan, nandyan yung login details mo. Okay, so click mo muna itong login to account, and then, makikita mo na you are inactive. So, yung date is July 2. So, kanina ko lang ni-register yung account ko, and this is my first direct for demonstration purposes para makita natin kung magkano din yung earnings sa direct referral. So, this will be my first direct now. Ayan, 0 earnings as you can see. So, browse all the way down and makikita mo na tong activation. So, basic package is $20. So, $20 lang talaga yung kailangan mo kasi hindi ka pwedeng mag-skip niyan. Nakalock yung mga next na upgrades. So, $20 yung basic plan. Click mo yung buy now. And then, select BUSD kung ano yung balance na meron ka. Okay? Pwede USDT pero make sure to use BEP20 network. Pero, mas madali yung BUSD kaya BUSD yung dineposit ko. So, select mo lang yung meron kang available balance. Make sure na meron ka ding konting BNB balance para sa gas fees. So, centavos lang yan guys, don't worry. Click approve. Alright, let's see. Papasok na to agad. Ayan, click mo lang yung confirm. Ayan, transaction complete. So, magre-refresh lang itong site. Okay, nakita niyo yung blue na yan. So, yan. So, I am basic now. Okay, and yeah, makikita mo, my package $20 and total earnings $4.9. So, wala ka pang dinirect, kaka-register mo pa lang, meron ka na agad earnings, 'di ba? So, nakaka-excite how much more kapag nag-start ka ng recruit. So, 'di ba, meron siyang upline earning na $4.9. Ayan. So, ayan, there you go. And next na ma-open is yung starter pack, which is $40. Ayan, pwede mo nang i-buy ito. So, kung alam mo sa sarili mo na magre-recruit ka, make sure na nakapag-activate ka na ng next levels para hindi masayang or matapon yung mga papasok na ini-invite mo. Okay? So, ayan. These are the ranks. And, yeah, nakaka-excite to. Tingnan nyo na lang yung marketing plan. May mga uploads na sa YouTube. And this company has just started a week ago. Started last June 23. So, parang nasa 7 days pa lang siya or 8 days today. So, nakaka-excite yun, guys. We are pioneers again. And this is just another basket to earn. And ang maganda dito, nagustuhan ko, just like Live Good, hindi mo kailangan mag-recruit para kumita, 'di ba? So it's like passive income talaga. And ang maganda dito, crowdfunding siya, matrix, pero walang exit. Okay? One time ka lang mag-a-activate and you will earn depends on your package. Okay? So as long as you upgrade, mas tumataas yung income potential mo. So, ayan. That's it, guys. That's how you activate your account. By the way, para makapag-login ka, ayan, member.gameprotocol.io and your username and password ay sinend sa'yo through your email. So, nandun yung username and password mo. So, that's it, guys. Let's see after few days, I will update kung ano yung ma-earn na natin dito. So, itong account na to is just totally no invites. Okay? Nakita ko kasi meron na agad siyang ma-earn even without inviting. So, for those of you na naghahanap ng passive income, this is one to consider. Sa mga risk takers lang to, guys, ha? Okay, so that's all, and please subscribe to my channel for more updates. Again, happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye!